Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in these settings. So we're gonna go over to these settings. Now here we're gonna select connections, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Now our Wi-Fi has been toggled off and on. This is a quick restart. What we're gonna do next is, if we still do not have the connection, we're gonna click on the network that we're currently using, so the gear icon right here, and we're gonna click forget. Now, of course, we're gonna select the same network and re-enter the password. Now we can click connect, and as you guys can see, we are connected to the same network again. What we're gonna do next is restart the router and a phone if it's still not working. So to restart the router, you need to find your switch on the back of it or on the sides, and it all really depends on the router you're using, so you need to find it on your own. But for the phone, to restart it, you press the power button, the volume down button, and hold it until you see the power menu. Now you tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So we're gonna go over here. Now we're gonna go to settings, and here scroll down until we see software update. Now we're gonna click check for updates, and that's how you can easily see that my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you do not struggle with all the glitches. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.